friends, welcome to the 30-day SQL challenge. Before we go into our challenges, let's take two steps back. One, to understand our business. Two, to set up our environment. And then we can then start looking at our various challenges and the solutions. Now, the first step here is to really look at the business. And with that, I've been able to have this wiki here in the GitHub. I'm going to share the link in this video. All right. And one thing how to navigate this wiki or this repo is that you click on this project and then you click on the home page, and it gives you a good idea of what the project is all about. However, where we're going to start today is the business overview. Okay. Now, this is a fictitious company, and the name of the fictitious company is the DSP Do It Now Bikes, and it's modeled on open source relational database. Okay, the company manufactures and retails bicycles and related products globally, and they have been grouped into multiple domains. Okay, I won't go over each of these. Please take time to understand the business, but I'll go over this business process flow diagram. Now, think of the business that they actually design their product. Okay, once they design their product, they manufacture it. And once the product is available, they stores it, right? And then a customer place an order, or they receive an order from a customer, right? That's what we have right here. And with that comes the fact that once they receive the order, then they need to manage the order. Then they have the customer information, right? And then once they manage the order, they pick up the product, ship the product, and receive payment. And this receive payment will involve invoice and payment. Okay, that's really a very high level what the boss business is all about, and you can relate it to your organization or to any retail stores you have around. Okay, now let's go back to our home. We're going to be using the home page to be able to navigate through this wiki, and we click on the data domain. Now, the data domain describes the operation of the business, and we have four that we're going to be using for these challenges. First is production, second is sales, third is human resources, and the fourth is person. Okay, and they have different tables as well as different tables essentially. Now, just to quickly give you an idea, production will have to describe when it comes to design and manufacturing of the product. This is the tables that we'll need to be able to understand what that involves. Sales, when it comes to order transaction, we have to come to sales. The employees, the people that actually perform this operation, will be in this domain, and the persons related to the customer that are placing the order they will be in this particular domain. And then we can come to this domain, look at the various tables, and be able to extract some intelligence out of this database. All right, now the last one that I would like to go over in terms of understanding business here is going to be the entity relationships. Now, in some of your organization, you might not have access to this entity relationship. In some of you may have to ask. Whatever the case is, for our fictitious company, we do have a data model for that. And I'm just going to be mentioning the key core relationships here. The first one is the person, customer, sales order. You can see this is person table, one to many to sales customer, and one to many to orders, right? Very key information to know, because this is going to help us as we solve those challenges. And then you can see this hierarchy, product hierarchy tables, where we have product category, product subcategory, and then the product itself. That's what you have here. Product is grouped into subcategory and then grouped into a category. And then you have the sales order details, and this is very key as well. You can see this is our order details that go into in an order we might have many items being ordered, so this gives us the item level information. And then this also then gives us the product they're actually interested in. All right, and then you also have the currency and currency rate related to sales orders that you have right here, and then the employee department and ship. Now we don't have that relationship here, but it's very straightforward relationship. An employee must have a department, and some of them would be on the ship schedule. All right, so that is really it. Please take time to really understand this business context so that when we get into our challenges, it's going to be much easier to relate to how we're writing our codes and what we're actually trying to aim or achieve. Thank you so much for watching this video. And in our next one, we'll be diving into actually setting up your environment so that we can actually start the challenges. I look forward to seeing you then. Thank you, and see you in the next recording.